Hello, good day. I'm going to teach you about overloading of constructors. We begin by making a public class named vehicle, then we define a string value, color. Then we make our first constructor, the public vehicle, and we pass a string named color. We now print our color and concatenate with letter C. Then we go now in our runnable client, which is in the main method. Now make an instance, a first instance, vehicle1 equals to new vehicle, and pass the perimeter color black. Then we run the file. Then we go back in our vehicle class, we make our second constructor, which has two arguments, which will accept a string and integer value. Then we use .c. Then we set wheels and assign in W. Then we print the color and concatenate it to C. So this is overloading the constructor. Two constructors with the same name but with different tasks. And we go now in our runnable client and we make a second instance in the vehicle demo class named vehicle v2, which will pass a string and integer value to it, and we print it, and that's how you overload the constructor.
The word polymorphism means many forms. They created this term polymorphism in Java to mean many forms of a method. So let's get into this. I'm going to create a class. What's up with me? We're gonna call it bird. This is an outline for an object. In this case, are just called bird. And everything that's inside of our class is just variables and methods. In this case, let's just make a method for this bird, or what can birds do. Let's just say they could sing. So let's give this method some keywords like, and we'll name this method sing. And we're gonna call it tweet. And now if we create this bird object in a main method, we can do b.sing. And we see the code inside of the sing method run. This is one form of a method sing, and we're going to add another form. Let's use inheritance to create another bird that has the same sing method. Let's just say pelican. And assume that it already know how to sing the same from bird by typing extends bird. We're going to change this pelican and new pelican. I'm going to run.
Hello, good day. So now I will be showing you a tutorial about abstract and its methods and interface. So first we will make an abstract class like cat. Then we will say what a cat can do, which meows, and we implement it and we print out meow. So this is how you do it. Then we create a new class, Siamese, and we extend it to cat, our first abstract class. And now we enter Siamese, letter C, equals to new Siamese, and put C meow, which the Siamese will now work because Siamese object is an extension of cat, and that is abstract class. And now we run our file. And now for our abstract methods. An abstract method is a method that is not implemented yet. And now for abstract methods, an abstract method is a method that is not implemented yet. So now we add public in the word abstract void hook. Then we go under the Siamese extend class and we put in the public void hook and print out cat hook. In making our interface, we have to put interface, cat interface, which has list of variables and methods. 2. So we can have void book and there are no codes inside. Then we change it to cat interface in our extends, we change it to implements and change the cat to cat interface. And that's how you implement.